Hello and welcome back. I understand that you might have already installed the Anaconda software inside your Windows operating system. So what left to do is for you to install the Tensorflow and Keras workshop environment in your Windows. So to do that, you need to click the Start menu button and then type in Anaconda so that you can go to the Anaconda prompt. So there are Navigator and Prompt. I suggest that you click on Anaconda prompt. So, and then you will be presented with a familiar prompt, just like this. And then I suggest that you create an environment for our workshop. So to do that, just type in conda, create -n workshop, and then Python 3.9. So typing Python 3.9 is essential for us so that we can instruct the Anaconda to create a virtual environment for Python 3.9 which is suitable for TensorFlow 2.8 and above. So just press enter, and then if it's asked to proceed, you just press enter or type Y. It will take a moment for Anaconda to create the virtual environment for our workshop. So once it's finished, you need to activate the environment. So to activate the environment is easy. Just type conda, activate workshop. Okay, just like this. Notice that the name of the environment has been changed from base to workshop. So next, what we need to do is to install Spider and scikit-learn. Spider is an IDE that we will be using inside this workshop, and scikit-learn is a toolkit for machine learning in Python. So to do that, you have to type in conda, install Spider, and then scikit-learn, and then press enter. So if I prompt you to proceed, just press enter or press Y for yes. Okay, once all the requirement has finished, we need to install the rest of the requirements. So don't worry, I've already provided a file for you to copy and paste all the requirements that you need to use in order to run our workshop. So download this file, command.txt. Just copy the command, pip install, and then paste it over here, and then just press enter. So this will install all the requirements, including TensorFlow, Keras, TensorFlow Hub, Seaborn, and so on. Once finished, you can test the installation by typing Python, and then type import TensorFlow, and then verify it by typing TensorFlow dot underscore version underscore, and then just press enter. So if the installation is successful, then it will display the full version of the TensorFlow. To exit the prompt, you only have to press Ctrl Z and then press enter. And then you type Spider over here to enter the GUI of the IDE. So IDE is the Integrated Developers Editor or Integrated Development Editor that you can use to load the source code that I'm going to give to you, and then you can run it and then debug your code. And then you can close the editor, and then to exit this IDE, you only have to type exit. Okay, next time when you want to use the editor, you only have to go to your Windows Start menu and then search for Spider, and then look for the Spider Workshop. Okay, Spider Workshop. This is the name of the environment that we have set up before. Okay, if there is no error, then congratulations, you have successfully set up your TensorFlow environment inside your Windows operating system. Be seeing you in the next workshop.